Hello and welcome to the Analytics training videos. In this video, we will learn about the dial chart. A dial chart is represented in a semicircle and is divided into multiple ranges. By default, it has three colored ranges: lower range, middle range, and upper range along with interval markers. However, you can add more ranges if you want. The dial chart has a needle to visualize a single metric value on the chart. You can plot a dial chart from the Analytics Builder, as well as the pivot table. You can use a dial chart where the value is divided in a range. For example, you want to plot the number of defects logged in the application in a specific duration. The number of defects can be divided into multiple ranges and can be assigned labels and color indicators with them. To plot a dial chart, click the dial chart on the Analytics Builder. Specify the name of the chart and the data criteria such as work item type, work item status, and duration. You can also specify filter criteria if you want. Select the aggregation type such as count and the attribute to be plotted on the chart. For example, let's plot the number of defects logged in the system. For that, let's select the attribute as item type and values as defect item type. In the conditional formatting section, define the different range, their labels, values, and color indicators. For example, if the count of the logged defects is less than or equal to 30, then it's low and should be represented with yellow color on the chart. If the count is between 30 and 70, then it's medium and should be represented with amber color on the chart. Similarly, if the count is more than 70, then it's high and should be represented with a red color indicator on the chart. Here you can add one more range by clicking the Add icon and specifying the value and label for the range. Once you are done with the changes, click the Save button. Now the defect dial chart is divided into three ranges: low, medium, and high. In this chart, the total number of defects is 14, which is falling in the low category. And that's why the needle is pointing toward the low range section with the number written in the center of the chart. Remember, we defined three sections: less than 30, between 30 and 70, and more than 70. The lowest and highest value range on the chart is defined by the chart itself and as per the current value. Here, the highest value 74 is defined using the formula maximum value minus minimum value multiplied by 0.10, which means 70 minus 30 multiplied by 0.10, or 40 multiplied by 0.10, which is 4. So the upper range is 70 plus 4 equals 74. Similarly, the lowest value is defined. We hope this video helped you have a basic understanding of the dial chart. See you in the next video. Thank you.